Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the audio board ZIF connector and disconnect the audio board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the audio board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board to the display panel assembly. Lift the audio board off of the alignment pins on the display panel assembly and remove. Place the audio board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the audio board from the static dissipative bag. Place the audio board onto the alignment pins on the display panel assembly. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board to the display panel assembly. Insert the audio board ribbon cable into the audio board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the length of the audio board ribbon cable to secure it to the display panel assembly.